First, let's remove the magazine. Place 4 fingers on top of the slide, and the thumb wrapped around the grip. With your free hand, place the thumb on one side, and a finger on the other. Pull forward to release the slide. Now pull out the recoil spring and outer barrel. After that, carefully pull out the inner barrel from the outer barrel. Put back everything together before we start the oiling. Start with the slide railing. Put some silicone oil on both sides of the upper slide, then proceed to the lower and hammer assembly. Reset the hammer to put back the upper slide. Lastly, put back the magazine and we are done. Thank you for watching this simple video.